This was my first HTML program. Okay, in this we have seen the use of h1 heading and paragraph. Okay, the basic structure of HTML should be like this only. Okay, doc type HTML, then HTML tag opening, then body. Okay, then the content of your web page. So these are the contents: h1 heading and p paragraph, then the body tag closing, then the HTML closed. Okay, so in this way we have also seen the output in the web page. Okay, the second program was how many types of headings are there. Okay, so these were the types: h1 to h6, heading h1, h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6. Okay, so the output was like this. All of you have done this, I hope. And the third program was for paragraphs. You can see I have written two paragraph tags. So in this paragraph tag I have written only one sentence. You can write many sentences as you want. Okay, so they will display the paragraphs. P tag. This was the output for the above paragraph code. Okay, we have seen all this. Then the fourth program is for hyperlinks. Okay, program for hyperlinks. So in the same way, the content is same: HTML tag opening, then body tag opening. Here I have used an h2 tag, heading tag, then a paragraph which is describing. HTML links are defined with a tag. This is the a tag. Okay, then I have written a tag href is equal to https www.google.com, and in that I have written a text. This is a link. Okay, so you can see here this is the a tag opening with a triangular bracket. All of you, this small triangular bracket you can see, and here is the a tag opening closed with the angular bracket. So in this a tag alone, opening tag, we have written the href https www.google.com, and then close that tag. The a tag opened, it is closed here. Okay, after closing I have written this is a link. This is the text which will contain this reference of this website, or link will be contained by this text, and then close the a tag. Okay, then close the body tag, close the HTML. So the output was HTML links. HTML links is displayed in bold letters because we have written the h2 tag. Okay, then the paragraph HTML links are defined with the a tag, and below that we have this is a link. Okay, so this is a link is nothing but the link when which will be clicked will take us to the google.com page here. Okay, it is displayed in blue color, and when you are going to click it, it will be displayed in red colors or any other colors. If you click it, its color will change somewhat. Okay, now today we are going to see the next program, that is the program for image in HTML. Okay, doc type HTML, then HTML tag opening, then body, then h2 tag. Again I have used the HTML images, then p tag for paragraph. HTML images are defined with the image tag. I have written here image. Okay, then the image tag, which is consisting of what? The image tag opening, this triangular bracket is opening image, then src is the attribute from where we have to take the image. Src is equal to w3 schools.jpg. Okay, alt is equal to w3schools.com width and height. So these are all the image tags attributes. Okay, so here I am going to change the image name. How I will show you. Okay, then this is the image body tag closed, this is the HTML tag closed. Below output HTML images, this is displayed in h2 tag, h2 heading HTML images, and then below that paragraph is there. HTML images are defined with image tag, and below that the image is displayed, you can see. So now I'm going to use this code to show you how the image tag actually works. Okay, so I have already written that code in this file and I have already saved it. Okay, first but for your purpose I will show you once again. Okay, I am going to delete this, then I am again going to copy this code and then again going to paste this. Okay, so this is the code which I have taken from our Word file. Now you can see what you have to do. First of all, you will search for an image which you want to display. Okay, so I have taken an HTML image. I will show you. This is how we can go to Google search and type any of the image name, and you can see there are many images available. Then I have chosen this image and you just click it and you should download it. Okay, so I have downloaded this image in the desktop first. You can see here, this is the image. All of you are getting this. This is the image. I have changed the image name also, html01.png. Okay, so if you want to run this code, or if you are going to run this code, you will have to write first of all the image source. So where that image is stored, so I have written the image name as html01. Okay, dot png, the extension will be like that only. Then this is alt is nothing but the alternative name given to that image if that image is not shown due to some reason. If the image is not shown in the web page, then a text will be displayed in the place of that image, and that text is HTML. Okay, the width and height of the image, I am going to change some numbers here. The width should be, I think I will change this to 120, and I will change this height to 160. So the widths and heights are also the attributes of image, and alt and source are also the attribute of image tag, and these are the values of these attributes. Okay, I have already saved it. You know how to save the program. Save it in your folder where all the programs are saved. Okay, file, save as, then give a name and save to the folder. Okay, I have already saved it. I will just click now save, because I have changed the image name and image also. Okay, and then we will minimize this and we will see whether this program is, yes, it is here. Now we are going to run this. So you can see we have got HTML images text that is in heading h2 tag. Then this line is displaying the paragraph. HTML images are defined with image tag, and we are getting a small text HTML. So this image is not displayed but a text is written here HTML. This is the alternative text which we have given the name HTML alt. Here you can see alt is equal to HTML. So alt is equal to HTML is nothing but the alternative text which will be displayed if the image is not displaying in the web page. So why our image is not being displayed? So the reason is that our program is stored in this folder on the desktop, okay, and our image is stored on the desktop, okay. So what we will do, we will just take this image and move it to the folder. So now the image is in this folder, you can see here the image is in this folder and our program is here, okay. Now we will try to run again this program. I will close this, okay. We will try again to run the program image.html by clicking it, and you can see here we got the image. First of all, we were getting the alternative text for the image, and now we have got the image, okay. So why did it happen? Because previously the image was on the desktop here, on this location. It was here, the image was here, okay, and then we have taken that image into the folder like this, and then we have run the code, okay. So you can see what was the problem. It was because the source image should be in the folder itself where the program is saved. This is the right method. There is one more option. You can give the full path. SRC is nothing but the full path. You should give the full path of that image. So previously the path of our image was, I can again show you. I will move this image again to the desktop where it is. Yeah, you can see here. So we will see properties, and where is the path? Here is the path. You can see. You will copy this path. All of you are understanding. I have taken the image again to the desktop, okay. Here you can see from the folder, and then I am copying the path of that image to the properties of that image, okay. Copy, and then I will paste the full path here. So you can see I have pasted the full path here, and then I am going to run it, okay. Then I'm going to run it. You can see here I'm going to run it. You should give the image name also, then go to file, save, okay. I'm again going to run it. Here you can see we have got the image again. This was the previous, okay. I will again close this. I have closed the web browser. Now I'm going to click it. So again we have got the image which is now present on the desktop, and our file is present in a folder. So I hope all of you have understood this. First, I have taken the image in this folder. Now the image is not in this folder, okay. I have taken the image in this folder, and then we executed the program, we got the image. Now I have taken the image on the desktop, okay. Here I have copied the path using the properties. You know how to go to properties. Just click the image, right click, and go to properties. You will see the location of that image. I have copied this location. Give in this location the image file name is not given, so I have written the image file name also in the program. Here you can see the image full path was like this, and I have written the image file name also. and then I have run the program. So if your image is being stored somewhere else, you have to give the full source, full path of that image. Okay, and if that image is in your folder itself, then it is able to run the code easily and show the image. Okay, so these are the things you have to be kept in mind. So now next program, we'll take a new notepad file again. So the next program is for buttons. It is also an important program for buttons in HTML. All of you use many kinds of buttons, okay, in your web pages, okay, like when you are going to fill any kind of form, you have to submit that form. So the submit is nothing but a button through which all the text which you have entered will be submitted. So I am going to paste this code here. Okay, now we will see, close this properties tab also. Now we will see how this program is being executed. First one is the command for the buttons in HTML, then doc type HTML, then HTML tag opening, then body tag, then I have used the h2 heading, again HTML, but if you want to display the heading in larger font you will use h1 heading, somewhat smaller than h2, some smaller than that, then you will h3, then h4, then h5, then h6. All these are nothing but the various kinds of headings that will be displayed in fonts. Then I have written a small paragraph. HTML buttons are defined with the button tag. So to define a button, you will use a button tag. So this is a button tag. Button tag opening in angular brackets, then click me is a text and slash button. So this will create a button and the text written in the button will be click me. Close the body tag and close the HTML tag. So simple, button tag opening, button tag closing, and in between that I have written some text click me. You can write submit also. So first of all we want to save this file. Save as, I am saying it as button dot html in our same folder where all the programs are being saved. Once again I have not given the number to that. It is I think 06, program number 06, and save it. Okay, so you can see here the name is already here. We are going to the folder now. Our folder is this is program number 6 buttons. Earlier we have seen image, now we are going to see button. One more program is there for button, just delete it because we have saved it 2 times. I have given the number to the next program, so this is our program and we will run it. So here you can see HTML buttons. It is written in bold font h2 tag. Then below that, but HTML buttons are defined with button tag. Okay, then we have used that button tag here. This is the button tag, and in this button tag we have used click me. So this button tag creates this button, and in that you can see we have a small text that is click me. So you can click this, you can see there are some changes. It is changing from gray to white. Okay, from gray it is changing to white when we are clicking it. So in this way we can create a button. So all of these programs which we have seen are very much important.